Hello and welcome, this is Paul Photography with episode 15 of 1 minute shooting ideas for every tiny home studio. Today we will do something different. I want to show you how you can achieve a black and white split background with just one light source very easy. Let's jump right into it. Of course, I set my black background to get one side black. For the other side, I put my rectangular softbox behind me. Don't forget to put the diffuser as close as possible to the edge. Also, it's important to set the power right, that the light wraps around your face and you get this nice low-key shot. Now I want some shots of the front, but as you can see, we need a second light source. So I place my beauty dish on the right side in front of me to get this characteristic light with nice shadows. Paw! And this is your split background.